Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use keyboard shortcuts, layout, in Spotify applications. So how to use keyboard shortcuts, layout, in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Well, here you are on the main Spotify display. Spotify provides various keyboard shortcuts that make it easier for users to organize the interface layout. Here, please see the left screen section. Then tap Alt-Shift-L. The toggle left sidebar function allows users to show or hide the left sidebar containing the main menu such as Home, Search, and Library. Then tap Alt-Shift-Right arrow. The increase left sidebar width function is used to expand the width of the left sidebar so that users can see the playlist name or menu more clearly. While tap Alt-Shift-Left arrow. The decrease left sidebar width function functions to reduce the width of the left sidebar so that it provides more space in the main display area. After previously on the left screen, now see the screen on the right. Then tap Alt-Shift-R. The toggle right sidebar function allows users to show or hide the right sidebar, which usually contains friends' activities or additional information related to the content being played. Then tap Alt-Shift-Up arrow. The increase right sidebar width function functions to expand the width of the right sidebar so that details or additional information can be seen more clearly. Then tap Alt-Shift-Down arrow. While the decreasing right sidebar width function is used to reduce the width of the right sidebar to provide more space for the main area. These functions provide users with the flexibility to customize Spotify's layout according to their needs and preferences. So that's it. Tutorial how to use keyboard shortcuts, layout, in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.